The F10p tablet press from Fette Compacting combines compatibility and innovation to facilitate the production of ramp-up or small batches. Its compact design makes it suitable for many different applications. The segment technology allows you to increase the output of your efficient production. The torque drive ensures reliable and stable production with significant energy savings. Due to integrated dust-tight cabinet reduces maintenance costs. Dust-tight tablet chute ensures a safe production environment. Operator and cleaning-friendly concept for optimized operation. The system compatibility across turret generations increases the return of investments and offers maximum flexibility in terms of formats and products thanks to easy turret changeover. Pioneering software with intuitive operating support. Small in size, big in performance. The F10p from Fette Compacting sets high standards in small batch production, lays a solid foundation for ramp-up and prove its superior performance and reliability.
Fette Compacting. Together for quality of life.